Hello, Rick Komarek, Certified Financial Planner, and I want to share with you today an annual update to one of my favorite charts, and this is called the Callan Periodic Table of Investment Returns. So you remember back to your school days age, and you had the periodic table of elements. Well, this is similar in that they rank the various elements here, but the elements that we're talking about today are investments, and they show on this chart 8 or 9 different investment asset classes and market sectors that are available and the annual returns for those. So, for example, non-U.S. equity in 1999 returned 27.92. And then the next year in 2000, real estate returned 19.84. So they are ranked from best to worst in each and every year. Highlight a couple of things here for you. And that is that this group, the Callan Group, has been tracking these returns for over 20 years, so they have a long time history of doing this. And they came up with some very interesting information here for last year, 2018. And what they said was that for the first time in the history of the Callan Periodic Table of Investment Returns, stretching back to 1979, the best performing asset class in 2018 returned essentially zero. It's an unusual year when virtually all broad asset classes posted negative returns. Rising interest rates hit fixed income, while a sell-off in the fourth quarter dinged equity returns around the globe. Cash, the risk-free alternative, was positive, up 1.87. A selection of bond market segments generated positive returns, but the broad fixed income market returned 0.01. Volatility returned to the global equity markets in 2018 following several years of below average readings during which the U.S. equity trended up strongly. This recent volatility, which is not remarkable from a historic standpoint, could well be a harbinger of 2019 market performance given a wide array of economic, political, and market-related uncertainties that are currently vexing investors. However, their last sentence I definitely agree with, and that is that Callan, and like I said, I agree and recommend this as well for my clients, has long advised clients that adherence to an appropriate, well-diversified asset allocation, including rebalancing when appropriate, remains the best course of action to manage the path to successful attainment of long-term investment goals. If you have any questions about this chart or investing or your financial planning, feel free to reach out to me anytime.